Shibenta ban pynkhreh bat penduna yagi jinglynshop mariang ka District Disaster Management Authority Riboy District menta kasi Rakhe ya ka National Day for Disaster Reduction ha ka jingelang ka blalong ha Riboy College nongpo ban pitsngau tho shigi pai ba khamtam ki samla puli ban long kum ki nong yaram ban ningkong ha badan ki nu ki jingja namar man uwe pa uwe nong shong shnong udan ka jingkit clear ha kate ka jing rakhe ka kong bi rani edc ka Riboy kala shimbenta kum ka kong san ha ka jing don lang uba je mautho DDMA Riboy District u AR Marak Assistant Commissioner u J Rabha DSP Traffic ka Dr. E Kharkongor Principal Riboy College lambat ki samla pulie ha kate ka singi na kalyang ka kong birani EDC ka Riboy District kalaong babale ni Rakhe ya ka ni ka singi blatip kum ka National Day for Disaster Reduction kaday naman ki jingja jinglynshop ki bahe ki bladebja ha ka ri kum ki eryong juman bat ki we ki blawan ra ru shibun ki jingdo no ki mensim brio bat ka ni ka penkan mau bangidei banlong ki bla pynkhreh bat pikir habadan kinu ki jingja jinglynshop ki bakir ki nadu ka jinglynshop mariang ki jingja accident bat ki we kumta kani ka dei ka jingkit clear jong paro ki nong song snong banlong kum ki nong yaram habadan kanu ka jingja khanang bangin la ban penduna ki jingya brio bat ki jingman sa Rakhe ka sngi na kalyang ki apda mitra volunteer ki blayo jinghikai ki lapen iru kumno karukam yaram kaba kirki habadan kanu ki jingja jinglynshop ringkat ki pulet jong ka fire and emergency services.
Okay, there is no squeeze handle, wheel tie. So you just on the wheel. Okay, so only you have to remember here. No, also big fire also. Take a combo like a blanket. Okay, big blanket. Okay, so here is a fire. Go. See, like that. You can extinguish the fire, okay? If this is a small, so only.
Prepare an improvised stretcher if you need to move the person carefully.
Because you know that safety is very important. We should know, everybody should know the rules, traffic rules, and how we should keep safe ourselves while walking on the road or while driving, or others also how we can save the life of the people while we are on road. So I hope the students will be benefited. If we don't know the traffic rules and regulations, it will be chaos on the street roads, especially on junctions and marketplaces. So it is very important for us to know every rules and the signals that the people are giving to the light vehicles and pedestrian from which way of the road is crossed. All this we should know. Doing activity on the road by signaling the vehicles, they are doing taking the measurements in order to prevent those accidents, so that the vehicles don't get injured or no vehicle can
That's the 29th of October. This day stands as a reminder to all of us. I mean, why do we celebrate this day? I think we also need to go back to understand the importance and the significance of this day. It brings to all of us, it brings to mind, to our memory, to our collective memory, on this day, as a reminder of very, very huge catastrophic events that changed the course and the landscape of disaster management in India and in our state also. We remember the Odisha super cyclone of 1999 and the Gujarat Bhuj earthquake of 2001. There are two catastrophic events that changed everything about we know about the course of management in our country, in our state. From these two painful experiences emerged valuable lessons. Preparedness, awareness, and community participation are the strongest shields against disaster. So our state, as you all know, being located in a seismic zone of 6, is among the most earthquake-prone areas in India. The Great Shillong earthquake of 1897, which took more than 1,500 lives, remain a historic reminder of why disaster preparedness must be a shared responsibility. Preparedness and mitigation are not mere government programs, they are duties of every citizen. And not so long ago, maybe just a couple of years back, we all have in our collective memory and consciousness the great pandemic, COVID-19 pandemic that is experienced on a global scale. So I remember when all responders, not only me, not only my DDMA, not only my deputy commissioner, but it was the entire government machinery that put itself at the forefront to meet the need of the moment. So I think I will not be wrong to say that our state has had the most systematic response to such disaster, whether it's a pandemic or a disaster. We need to